How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app. You're gonna land to the home page. Now head towards your reel section. You can check recently watched reels on Instagram by swiping up in this way. But in the case you want to check the reels that you have watched a month ago or weeks ago, then that's not possible. You will be able to check the reels that you have just watched few minutes ago by swiping up in this way. In the case you have liked a reel or made a comment on that reel, then you will be able to find that reel. For that, head towards your profile. At the top right corner, you can find 3 bars, tap on it. Go to the option of your activity. Now over here you can find this section for interactions. Head towards the option of likes. Now over here you're gonna find all the reels that you have liked. Likewise, go back and head towards the option of comments. Now in this page you can find the reel in which you have commented. So this is how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. Right now this is the only way. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.